crypto explicitly needs no presentation these days in a kind of enormous manner. Throughout recent years, crypto for the most part has risen quickly. It is assessed that Smooth Love Mixture is worth and development will be galactic on the grounds that it most certainly is so strong and in every practical sense has colossal likely in an unpretentious way. Contrasted with essentially other resource classes, truly Smooth Love Elixir cost in a real sense is trying to generally foresee and truly delicate to economic situations as opposed to mainstream thinking. Notwithstanding, we chose to make the best projected esteem and assess development for exceptionally Smooth Love Potion's future. Last month's normal most certainly Smooth Love Elixir SLP cost essentially was 0.00 and according to our figure, genuinely Smooth Love POTIO and SLP exchanged as high as 0.00 and as genuinely low as 0.00 last month. Assuming we center around genuinely generally speaking development, Smooth Love Elixir most certainly developed by NAN% last month. From our last month's Smooth Love Mixture cost expectation, we anticipated that Smooth Love Elixir SLP would explicitly proceed with its bullish position ahead in a significant manner. Right now, in every practical sense, Smooth Love Elixir explicitly is exchanging at $0.00289, which could top at $0.00630 soon in an especially huge manner. In view of Smooth Love Potion's cost vacillations, we have anticipated that the cost of SLP would develop by 13.9% toward the start of April 2023. During the mid of April, the cost is supposed to ascend by a genuinely limit of $117.80%, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Before the month's over, SLP for the most part is by and large prone to explicitly develop by $41.42%, which is very critical. In view of Smooth Love Potion's cost variances, we explicitly anticipated that the cost of SLP would really fall by 13.9% toward the start of April 2023. During the mid of April, the cost in a real sense is supposed to fall by a genuinely limit of $117.80%. Before the month's over, SLP sort of is probably going to fall by $41.42%, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. As per the ongoing business sector circumstance, the cost could in a real sense be a truly limit of $0.0105 by 2025 and least value down to $0.00849. That being said, the truly normal SLP cost could more at $0.0101 or so they fundamentally thought. Smooth Love Elixir SLP value expectation 2023 in the principal 7-day stretch of January 2023 in every way that really matters. Smooth Love Mixture came to $0.00342 when it dipped under $0.00200. Interestingly, since January 2021, as opposed to mainstream thinking, as per the financial backers and market sends out, in every practical sense, Smooth Love Mixture is en route to passing the $0.00636 mark before the current year's over. Before $0.00636, it might break its sign of 42 cents and reach, as indicated by the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers. Smooth Love Mixture will in a real sense break its past all-time high of 42 cents and hold somewhere in the range of $0.00610 and $0.00636 soon. At this point, on 6/Walk 2023, truly Smooth Love Mixture is exchanging at $0.00289. And its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 7.82 M, and it makes number 200 cash in the by and large entire crypto world. Incredibly, Smooth Love Mixture value forecast 2024. There really is plausible that Smooth Love Elixir can get through the $0.00749 obstruction and hold the market toward the finish of 2024, or so the thought. The least essentially Smooth Love Mixture cost will be between $0.00619 to $0.00749, and the most in every practical sense reasonable Smooth Love Elixir cost will be consistent at around $0.00700 toward the finish of 2024. Despite Smooth Love Potion's wild swings in esteem and the contention encompassing its ecologically threatening energy utilization, very rich person adventure certainly entrepreneur Tim Draper really is adhering to his forecast that Smooth Love Mixture will reach $0.00749 toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation 2025. By 2024, market examiners and specialists anticipate that SLP will basically begin the year at $0.00853 and exchange around $0.0105, which sort of is genuinely huge. As per their expectations, this would be incredibly high contrasted with in every practical sense. Last year, this is actually a satisfactory leap in Bitcoin. Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation 2026. There is an in every practical sense great possibility that Smooth Love Elixir 2026 value forecast will pretty twofold in cost, yet it really is likewise conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal genuinely most extreme $0.0133 level. Smooth Love Elixir is in a real sense anticipated to arrive at an unsurpassed high of $0.0127 or $0.0133 in 2026. And it very well may be the extended time of commonly Smooth Love Mixture. Smooth Love Mixture Value Forecast 2027. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation, or SLP, will encounter enormous development in 2027 as it can possibly explicitly accomplish new highs. As far as sticker costs and market cap, Smooth Love Potion's cost basically is supposed to outperform $0.0133 in 2027. It has been basically anticipated that Smooth Love Mixture will arrive at the most extreme cost of $0.0133, and the exceptionally least cost is supposed to sort of be around $0.0111 in the following a long time from 2027, which is very critical. Smooth Love Mixture Conjecture 2028. Market examiners and specialists basically say that by and large Smooth Love Elixir value expectation and specialized examination, really Smooth Love Elixir sort of is supposed to explicitly cross a value level of $0.0146 in 2028, as opposed to prevalent thinking. In the meantime, in every practical sense, Smooth Love Mixture for the most part is supposed to arrive at a genuinely least cost of $0.0137 this year, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. The very most extreme cost may reach $0.0156. In a huge manner, Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, value forecast 2029. By the start of 2029, the by and large Smooth Love Mixture value expectation and specialized investigation foresee that the expense of Smooth Love Elixir will reach $0.0211, and the cost of SLP ought to generally reach $0.0211 before the year's over. Moreover, SLP can in a real sense reach up to $0.0195 in cost in a significant manner from 2020